Hey, it's Brittany LaRee, and I'm here at Sapphire Falls Resort here at Universal Studios Orlando. This is a Loews hotel. To give you guys an updated walking tour, I just stayed here for a staycation, so I know this resort very well. So let's go check out this beautiful resort, and there's so much to show you guys. Let's go. Okay, first and foremost, out in front of the resort. When you pull into the resort, there's self-parking over here if you're parking. You can also pull it up here to valet as well. But I was worried about where am I supposed to park? It was very easy to come in, and you just take a ticket and you head on inside. But this is how you get in. Obviously, this is the front of the resort. Valet's over here. Let's just head into the resort itself. Like I said, it's gorgeous in here. It always smells so good. I also love this. This is like my favorite thing at any resort is just like this chandelier at night. It's even more beautiful. Over to the left is luggage services and guest house 1. So if you're staying over there, that's guest house 1. Guest house 2 is directly this way. I'll obviously show you both. And then over here, we just have some seating and places for you to just relax and hang out if you're waiting for your room. Do a little work here in the lobby, like whatever you guys want to do. Let's just go this way around this lobby, and I'll show you over here. Obviously, luggage services, like I said, guest house 1. So it's basically like the tower of rooms over here. We have a check-in. We have a traditional check-in as well as online check-in, and I have done online check-in here, and it was very smooth. They just send you a little email, and you just fill it all out, put your card on file that you want on file, and you just come in and grab your cards. It was very, very easy. You just have to have your ID out and ready to go. We have an Avis desk over here in concierge as well for any of your needs. So they have a hot set. They're doing some filming over here today. Universal is. It's kind of cool. We're going to keep going this way over towards guest house 2, which is actually where I stayed. Yeah, it looks like they're doing some sand work. That's cool. Some sandcastle stuff. Over here is the pool, which I will not go down the pool right now, but I have a video. I'll link my staycation video. You guys can see the pool. I walked you around the whole pool deck, that whole thing, but this is a really great view of the pool. The pool is huge. It kind of like is zero entry. Well, it's not kind of. It is zero entry in the middle, and then gets deeper on the ends. There's some sand over here with some awesome chairs. There's a bar over here, a water slide. You can get food. There's cabanas for rental. Tons of seating. Absolutely no shortage of seating. More chairs and seating over here. Some like pool yard games over here. We'll walk out there eventually, but it's just a really good overview of the pool. And it is stunning and perfect. I loved utilizing the pool, and the slide was really, really fun. But if we keep coming this way, this is like the end of this little tour. It's just another view of the pool, and we'll look out onto the waterway, which is really fun. But yeah, this is guest house 2. This is a little walkway over there. But here we have, look at the waterway, because we do have a water taxi here to take you to City Walk and stuff. And well, you like Universal, but City Walk. So then you can walk to either park. But we have this cool waterfall feature here, which you can't see from inside, but I think I can see it from over there once we get over there. But you kind of see building 2 over here. Is really, that's the building 1, building 2 look like they're the same. But the Strong Water bar also has outdoor patio over here. I'll show you the regular inside one in here. This is usually some seating, but it looks like they're doing some filming, like I said, today. No worries. Pretty cool to see some filming. This is a very popular conference destination because they have some really big ballrooms over here. But this is the Strong Water Tavern. I've had some of the best food at the Strong Water Tavern that I've had in a very long time. The vibes are great. It does open at 4 p.m., but it is very, very good. Highly recommend. The service was great. The food, they had a couple new menu items and we tried them. Again, in my staycation video, I'll link it. But it was very good. The vibes were amazing. But like this lobby is like how gorgeous this big old table is. I love it. It's just gorgeous. So let's finish this around and we'll go downstairs. There is some USB plugins all throughout the lobby and regular plugins. So if you have to charge, you can easily charge. We have a vacation planning center over here. Of course, a Universal Studios store, which we'll quickly walk through. We'll come out on the other side and I'll show you guys what's over there. But I love having Universal Studios stores because if you forgot something in the park, you can most likely find it here. I also love that shirt. But they have a lot. Must be a Weasley. Oh my gosh, that's cute too. But also it has like toiletries and stuff if you've has forgotten anything. and some swimwear in here. Again, if you forgot like your swimsuit or something, all of that is also available, just like most resort stores on Disney and Universal property. So definitely not a bad thing to have options if you guys forgot anything. Definitely sunscreen. You never want to forget here in Florida. It is hot again. Don't forget the sunscreen. We also have some epic stuff in here with Burke, Dark Universe, Ministry, like all of it is in here right now, which is really great. This is, okay, so we came in the store this way. This is over here. This is the New Dutch Trading Company, which does serve Starbucks coffee. And then it has some like grab and go options and stuff like that, which is great. Some like snacks and stuff. So this is kind of your little grab and go stuff. And you can make like shakes, breakfast sandwiches, some chocolates, you know, wine, things that you just kind of like grab and go, which is definitely not a bad thing. And they also do have some prepackaged foods, which are really not bad. I mean, it's expensive because you're here, but not bad. And then a plethora of drinks as well. Also not bad choices, but yeah, they serve, I believe, Starbucks coffee. Usually they do. No, they don't actually. It's 4-5 coffee roasters. They actually don't have Starbucks in here. That's surprising. Usually Universal does serve Starbucks, but they don't. That's very interesting. All right. And then ending the tour, we have the restrooms for the lobby. And then this way is to Guest House 3 and the ballrooms. If you're here for a conference, this is how you get to the ballrooms. And then Guest House 3 is just this way. And I'm guessing this is going to be where a lot of the people who stay for the conferences are in Guest House 3, because you're just right across from the conference center, which would make sense. Yeah, it's funny that they don't serve Starbucks. Interesting. Good to know. I did not know. That is okay. Oh, and that is open from 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. as well. This store is also open, I think, 9 or 8 a.m. to 11 p.m. or something like that. So it's open quite a long time. We visited at like 11 p.m. Or like 10 p.m. because it was just like, oh, we forgot to go to the store and my friend wanted something. So we went to the store. But let's head downstairs through this beautiful, this is so pretty. It's kind of scary to look down, but I love it. It's gorgeous. I love it. It's beautiful. This is getting down to the pool, the water taxi, and all that fun jazz. Also, these stairs are very weird to walk down, but that's all right. I will try to be coordinated today. Okay. Keeping on, keeping. Yes, we really, really enjoyed staying at this resort. This is also not even the highest end of resort here. So it's not even the most expensive, which is great. Over here we have the Calypso like game center. It's a very big game center. Mario Kart, that's cool. Dang, got some real good stuff in here. Wow, and the gym is massive. The Kalina Health and Fitness Center. I do have somebody working out in there, so I don't want to show you guys too much. But wow, big, 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 big rooms. And then we'll come over here. We have some cornhole out here, some more seating. And this is how you can get to the pool this way. Pool hours are from 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. Obviously subject to change. But right now, 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. Yeah. Very beautiful pool. Some games out here. Again, the vibe is vibing out here, which is great. Let's head back in and let's head back to the water taxi. I think I'll also throw in the clip of my room tour right here. All right, room tour. Also, I love these tiles. So freaking cute. First of all, first thing first, a nice mirror to see your fit. What up? Check your outfit. You know, just some like space. I feel like you could put like a rolly bag because the door only opens to like here. So that's nice. We have a good storage in here. We just shoved our stuff in here. But obviously the same stuff, a safe in here. I think the wash or the dryer's in here, iron, more stuff for the beds in here. And then again, I just love this floor. But we have a really pretty mirror. I like that it lights up, and I love the detail of it, how it goes from white to yellow to blue. It's just gorgeous. And then a makeup mirror, which is nice. Always good to have. Some toiletries. Oh, we even have like cotton swabs and cotton balls. Kleenex, that's nice. Shower cap, face bar, lotion, some glasses. We have the towels down below. Really nice shower. Love that it's a glass door. It always just looks nicer. It's just clean. There's like a little seat. Very nice to like shave your legs, if you know what I'm saying. This you pull across to put like swimsuits to dry them. Shower head looks nice. Some amenities on the wall, but it looks nice. Obviously, the toilet. This closes like this. It's actually like a really heavy door. There is, I don't know, not a really big gap, but like it's very heavy. So in the middle of the night, that might be hard to close. We come into the room. I love the style of the carpet. It's very beautiful. The linens look very nice. Ooh, soft and clean. The paintings and stuff in here are really cool. Oh, these are lights too. Try to turn on all the lights. There we go. We got one more. That's all right. We have the air conditioning over here. I love these pillows, like I said when I came in. I think it's gorgeous. We have the phone. It looks like we have some USBs and USB-C plugins on the clock. We do have some regular plugs and USB plugs right there on the plug-in. Some lights that you guys can control. 2 queen beds. Very nice. An awesome TV, obviously. Some storage down here. Drawers. More drawers. There's the little like beverage cooler. It's kind of like, it literally looks like a mini fridge. Not just a beverage cooler, which is nice. Coffee, of course. Oh, and some green tea. Love that. All the fixins for the coffee bar. Very nice. Very nice. You know, the desk stuff, in-room dining, another beautiful tropical photo. And then, of course, our view is a pool view. You can have pool view, lagoon view, or like regular view. I think the pool view is really fun. Right here is the lobby. We have Cabana Bay, Adventura, Volcano Bay is just across the way. Just a really good view of everything over here. And look at how massive the pool is. I'm so excited. And then we have, obviously, another chair, a lamp. Here's the other light on, so we can see it all with the lights on. Gorgeous. Great size room. Beautiful. Has everything you need in it. Very clean. I love the bright, airy details of the room. And honestly, you cannot beat a view like this. This is incredible. I love it. I cannot wait to explore this resort some more. And welcome back from the room tour. I figured if I have one, I might as well throw it in for you guys. That would be in my stay tour as well, but I just figured, why not show you guys? This is also guest house 3, like another entrance there. We're gonna keep going down. I said these stairs are kind of weird, just warning. This is really cool though. It's just fun theming. And like looking up is cool. I feel like this is a great spot for like photos and stuff. All right, we have some more seating down here, some elevators. So if you don't want to take those stairs, you can take the elevator. The Amatista Cookhouse is here. Looks really good. They had like a prefix menu for dinner. It was like appetizer, entree, and dessert for $45. So it's really not that bad. More guest rooms over here. Look at this. It's like decor throughout the resort is really fun. But then we have the water taxi or resort shuttle is this way. So let's just keep walking this way. Kind of back through the same vibes that we just walked down. We love it. Beautiful. More outdoor seating for the restaurant. Very fun. And then you can technically walk from here all the way to City Walk. It's like a garden path. You can walk over there. It is an option. But we do have a water taxi, and then the shuttle bus is just around this corner. But we have a water taxi, so why would you not want to use the water taxi? It's absolutely stunning boat ride through. But this is basically where I was up on that bridge and the pool's on the other side, and I was saying this is like a water feature that you can't see from where we were standing. We can see it here. But it is a beautiful resort. It's pretty compact, so you don't have to walk so far. I like that the ballrooms and the parking is super close. Everybody was so nice when we stayed here. Stillwater was delicious. A couple Adirondack chairs to just kind of hang out. I like that you have multiple modes of transportation to get to and from City Walk, the water taxi, the walk path, the bus. To me, it's so worth it. And the pool was absolutely fabulous. Anytime there's a water slide, I'm here for it. But overall, this resort is probably my favorite resort I've stayed at. Maybe on both properties, I'll be honest. I just thought it was absolutely great price, and it's beautiful. And the fact that you're so close to Universal is great. The rooms were clean, everything with that lobby though. That lobby is absolutely stunning, breathtaking, and you can't beat a water taxi. So that's gonna do it for me for here at Sapphire Falls, giving you an updated resort tour for 2026. Hit that like button and subscribe. I'll see you guys real soon. Bye.